All right. Today we would like to continue studying a little bit of more Kiluba, and I think my friend next to me he said, "Yes, you are my friend next to me. We'll be studying. He speaks English only, and then with a little bit of knowledge in Spanish and now a little bit of a Kiluba. So we will mix. We all are trying to learn the language we like him to know the most is Kiluba, of course, because it's his grandpa's language, and he can learn that. Maybe one day he can visit where is the tomb is of his grandpa, and then at least he can talk to the neighborhood or people around. That's one of my concern of all those children we have around the world. So let's go forward. We speak English, but we're learning a little bit of Kiluba, just having some vocabulary, some words. And so today I felt like we can go back to what we learned a few years ago when few people learn these things. So we learn about counting. You remember we counted Umo, EVD. We counted all the way to Katwa, which is 100. And today we just gonna count to 1 to 5. Then next time we go slowly, because I don't want to take all your time and in listening to us. So let's go. We have 1 means Umo. Umo. And notice that when people pronounce Umo, they say Umo. No, Umo. Umo. Yeah, Umo. Then different. Umo ne Umo is different. Umo. I feel like a Umo. 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 There is Umo. Umo is different than Umo. Umo. So Umo. Mo is the accent is really on mo. Umo. Umo. Then the other way, the wrong pronunciation is Umo. They emphasize on U. So U is not. There is no emphasis on U. There is emphasis on O. Umo.
Umo.
Very correct, yeah. Umo. Then 2 means Ibidi.
Ibidi.
Ibidi. If I put a N between I and D, it's gonna be Ibindi. But yeah, but it's Ibidi.
Ibidi.
Very good. So there is Umo, Ibidi, Isatu. Isatu means 3. Ina means 4. Itano means 5. See, this very easy for all of us. So Umo, can you say this 5?
Umo.
No. Umo means you emphasize on U. Umo. But he say Umo.
Umo.
Exactly. Umo.
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 Umo. Yeah, like that.
Yeah. Next.
Oh, yeah. Ibidi. Isatu. Ina. Itano.
No. Itano. So emphasize is really on tano. Itano.
Yeah.
Like Umo. Yeah. Umo, Ibidi, Isatu, Ina, Itan, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so that's what we can learn. So before we start recording, you just told me that it was a good idea to study also the alphabet. people wondering how is the alphabet? Is it the same like in English when you see A, B, C, D, or it is different? Certainly in English it's quite almost the same. It's not like in Chinese and or other language like Korean. They have their own alphabet. We have the ABC just like in French, just like in English, but the pronunciation of those things in English can do sound a little bit different. So we will go through the ABC next time. So we're done for the first lesson, which I really want us to reduce it to always 5 minutes, which is okay for somebody who's really want to learn and doesn't have just written those 1 to 5.
Wait a
All right.
minute.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. For people who are watching, I'll be writing how these words are written inside the description. Bye.